Don't go outside at 9 o'clock
Hi.
when there's mosquitoes everywhere.
Yep.
When are we
I
gonna
got
do this?
Hey, Carcat.
in like 5 minutes.
It's like a clusterfuck of Solix, Carcat, and Aridin.
Yep.
Dave.
You.
Hey, beautiful.
Oh shit. Are we?
You weren't for that kiss. You weren't.
Here, hold it.
Okay, take the camera now.
Hey, Rose. So pretty. It's like, no. Where's Cal?
So, Rose, how you feeling today?
Siblings.
What?
Rose and Cal. Cal.
Oh, there she is. Okay, she's coming.
Food. What are you eating, Dave?
A sub.
Ham. Ham. What about you, Rose? What kind of sub?
Meat.
You like meat? What about you?
It has 2 things of salami and ham.
That was the best. Thanks for the idea, Myra.
You're eating your
What
own
was the
children.
idea?
Where the hell do you think grub loaf comes from?
Wait, what? What
It
idea?
was just
Oh my
marinade
God.
in the bathroom.
Yeah, and they're all carnivores.
That's not cool. John.
Yes,
I love
it
you.
is.
No, it was hilarious. It just came out.
Carcat, eat. Okay, watch. Carcat, stay still. Your horns wiggle when you eat. Oh, it's so cute. The best part of Subway is when Carcat eats. Dave, what's your opinion of the Muppets in the bucket?
What?
Muppets in a bucket.
Oh. Get that away from me.
It's okay, baby. I'll protect you.
Dad, I'm right here and you're not saying anything.
Sandwich.
Why are you even here?
I invited him.
What? You invited the puppet.
You know how Rose likes the bucket. Chips.
She's
It
trying
just
to help
scares
you
the
with
shit
your
out of me
fear.
if you want to hear my opinion. It scares the shit out of me.
She's trying to help you with your fear.
I think he's okay.
Brother.
Ow. You're not my brother.
Hey,
Something's vibrating. Dave's man purse. Dave's man purse.
Do you like my background? That's awesome.
Let's see. I want to see.
Not my purse.
It's not showing.
Oh shit.
There was something vibrating next to my hip.
That's not me.
I ship it. What's your opinion on your brother, Cankry?
I'm not kinky.
Oh, Carcat.
I'm not kinky.
Sorry.
Well, 1, he's loudmouth. 2, he can't shut up. 3, he wears way too much red. How is that even possible?
Well, I should probably stop recording. I only have 2 bars left for battery. I'm gonna need to save that for the audition. We need to save it for the audition.